Alright, YouTube. What's up? Hope you're doing alright. Got an interesting study for you today. It's been around for a while now, 2013 it looks like. Coming from the Scientific American, fearful memories passed down to mouse descendants. Genetic imprints from traumatic experiences carry through at least 2 generations. I'll say that one more time. Genetic imprint from traumatic experiences carries through at least 2 generations. From Nature magazine, certain fears can be inherited through the generations. A provocative study of mice reports. The author suggests that a similar phenomenon could influence anxiety and addiction in humans. But some researchers are skeptical of the findings because a biological mechanism that explains the phenomenon has not been identified. They don't know why it's happening, but they know that it is happening. So, the genetic sequences contained in DNA are the only way to transmit biological information across generations. Random DNA mutations, when beneficial, enable organisms to adapt to changing conditions, but this process typically occurs slowly over many generations. Yet some studies have hinted that environmental factors can influence biology more rapidly through epigenetic modifications, which alter the expression of genes, but not their actual nucleotide sequence. For instance, children who were conceived during a harsh wartime famine in the Netherlands in the 1940s are at an increased risk of diabetes, heart disease, and other conditions, possibly because of epigenetic alterations to genes involved in these diseases. Yet, although epigenetic modifications are known to be important for processes such as development and the inactivation of one copy of X chromosome in females, the role in the inheritance of behavior is still controversial. So let's break that down a little bit. They're saying that genetic imprints, aka, a genetic memory, is passed down. So there's fears that, you could inherit from, say, your grandfather. It's just interesting because if they're finding this in mice, imagine, the magnitude that this has on human beings and human consciousness. And imagine, it explains a lot about the current state of the world. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. This is a short little video today, but an interesting one. Definitely something to ponder and think about.